What if the desert turned into something completely unexpected, like a winter wonderland? That's what happened here. The desert giants dressed in white stood proud in Arizona. These massive cacti, usually tough and sun-baked, looked soft and magical for a change. It was surreal to see them like this. Their tall, spiky arms were covered in thick, fluffy snow. They seemed almost playful, like they were showing off their new look. It was the kind of moment you just don't expect in the middle of the desert. I almost didn't believe my eyes when I saw it. I was hiking through Saguaro National Park with my camera in hand. The cold air stung my face and snow crunched under my boots. Snow in the desert is rare, but snow like this, even rarer. When I rounded the corner and saw this group of saguaros, I stopped in my tracks. They were incredible. The snow clung to every branch and curve, turning their usual sharp edges into something soft and fluffy. They looked like they belong in a snow globe. I set up my shot slowly, making sure to get every detail. The clouds behind them were dramatic, adding to the moment. My fingers were freezing as I adjusted the camera, but I didn't care. This was worth it. The saguaros stood still, like ancient guardians of the desert, even in this strange new world. It was like they were saying, "We can handle anything, even snow." I couldn't help but admire them. When I looked at the photo later, it felt like magic. These tough desert plants looked so different but still so powerful. They reminded me that beauty is everywhere, even in unexpected moments. So, what do you see when you look at this? To me, it's proof that nature can surprise us, even when we think we've seen it all.